Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Let us solve this problem. That it is the smallest number, right? And having 4 different prime factors. Now we will find the prime numbers. Prime numbers are, the smallest prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like this. Okay. Now I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? If we multiply this number, that is 2, 4 factors, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, what we are getting? That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. What we are getting, you see, 8 2 3 is 6, 5 6 is 30, 30, 3 7 21, 210. Right? 2 3 is 6, 5 6 is 30, 3 7 21, 210. If we take another number, suppose 3, 3 into 5 into 7 into 11, then you see this number will be greater than 210. Right? If we take another example, suppose 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, then we are getting a much bigger number than 210. Right? Therefore, we can say that I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Therefore, you can say that the number is 210. The number is 210. And what are the prime factors of 210? Is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Right? And you see, in this case, 3 into 5 into 7 into 11, the number will be greater than 210. And in the case of 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, in this case also, the number will be greater. Here, the question is, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. You will see that there are 4 different prime factors, 2, 3, 5, 7. If we multiply, we are getting the smallest number, that is 210. This is the smallest number, 210. If we multiply more than that, that is 3, 5, 7, 11, we are getting greater than 210. Right? If we multiply 5, 7, 11 and 13, we will get greater than 210. Therefore, I am the smallest number, that is the smallest number is 210, and the 4 different prime factors are 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. This is the solution of question number 12.